Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to crochet a sweetheart. Cost about 10 minutes. It can be used to decorate cloth or bag. Also, you can use 2 pieces to make a lovely bag for your daughter. 6 chains and go back to the first. Slip 1. Now we got a circle. The first round, and for double crochets in the circle. The second round, 3 chains, turn to back. Next 3 double crochets in the first space. Skip to the last space for double crochet in this space. The third round, 3 chains first, turn to back. There are 3 spaces, crochet in them. Three double crochets in the first space. Three double crochets in the second space. Four double crochets in the third space. Three chains first and turn to back. We start the fourth round. It's the same rule, crochet in every space. In the last space, there are 4 double crochet. All the others 3 double crochet. In the same rules, we finish the 5th round. Now the 6th round. 3 chains first, turn to back. Skip for stitches. 3 double crochet in the 2nd space. Three double crochet in next 3 spaces too. One double crochet in the last space. Now the 7th round. 3 chains first and turn back. 3 double crochets in the space. Next 3 chains. Go to the middle space, 1 short crochet, and next 3 chains. Next space, 3 double crochets, next 3 chains. Slip to the last stitch. The 8th round is around the heart, most short crochet stitches. 3 short crochet stitches in each space. 6 short crochet in the corner. Finish the other side in the same way. Next 3 stitches are different. The first is half double crochet, the second is double crochet, the third is half double crochet. Next space, 3 short crochet stitches. Slip to next space and 3 short crochet stitches. Next 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet stitch, next double crochet stitch, and 1 half double crochet stitch. Three short crochet stitches in the last space. At last, slip to the first short crochet stitch, bordering the heart as the following video.